And welcome back to the channel. And if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, and in today's video we are going to do some planting of and also the soil composition I'm going to talk about of Cypress Portulaca. Okay, this is also known as Portulaca Cinderella. Okay, and if you guys are also thinking that you can grow these from seeds, please do not try to grow them from seeds. Okay, these are best grown from cuttings, and each cutting, as you can see, the longer they are, the fatter they are at the end, the better will be your chances of actually being able to propagate them on the soil. Okay, so I have already taken very strong cuttings. Each cutting is almost about 10 inches long. Okay, and as you can see, the cutting, when you are going to take them, most of the cuttings will have leaves up till the end of the portion. Okay, whenever you are taking the cuttings from a very bushy portulaca. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to get rid of these leaves, because these leaves will be the first ones that will start to rot after you have pushed this entire area into the soil. Okay, and so you have to get rid of these leaves first. So this is how you will have to get rid of the leaves from the stalks that you're taking, because after you push this entire area into the soil, then those leaves will be the first ones that has the tendency, because these leaves are very juicy leaves. Okay, and so these leaves will have the first tendency of catching a rot, and that could progress to the stalk area and might kill the stalk as well. All right, so that's how you are going to be processing the stalks. So the soil composition is nothing special. These guys don't really need a whole lot of like lots of fertilizers and stuff. They are also very prone to catching mealybugs. Let me tell you that. Okay, so I've seen a whole lot of mealybug infestations, and when they infest Portulaca, you probably will not be able to save the plant without actually throwing away that entire portion of the plant. Okay, because these plants are very juicy and they get badly affected even if you're using neem oil or some kind of a natural pesticide on them. Okay, and so it's best to not over fertilize these plants because they will tend to catch a whole lot of pests, and they're very juicy. Pests love juicy plants. Okay, so this is going to be the soil composition. I will keep about 80% of garden soil, and since these guys grow really fast and become really bushy, you have to have a little bit of provision for water and moisture content in the soil. So 20% will be mulch. Now seaweed, I will just be using say about 2 grains in like 1 or 2 cups of water. Okay, and that I will be using say in intervals for like 1 week. I'm not going to be over fertilizing it, and then you have to wait for at least 1 month before you can put another 2 seaweed granules in this small little pot, because the pot is really small. Okay, this is about a 6-inch pot. All right, yeah, this is a 6-inch or 7-inch pot mostly, and the outside rim is a little bit broader, so the inner area is a little bit smaller. Okay, so the pot is something that can hang from the rails with the hangers. Okay, but I have seen the tendency of the plant that most of the stalks will actually droop and hang out of the balcony because they get the sunlight like that. Okay, and this area will be towards the balcony or inside the balcony. So this from this area the plants will grow tall and big. Of course, you can use the entire plant outside when these will hang towards you, but in that case the plant will, you will probably find it a little bit difficult to handle the pot. But so that is like completely your choice. Now let us go over and plant these guys. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can see how I've planted them. You have to put at least 2 inches of stalk inside the soil. Okay, now the only thing remaining is a little bit of a seaweed granule sprinkling, and or you can just dilute it and sprinkle the water or you can use some other kind of fertilizer, but remember to use very little quantity, like 2 grains in like 2 cups of water, and use it like in a little bit of intervals the first week. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys back for more. Bye for now.